Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this fun Christmas flannel wall decor. For the materials, you'll need a t-shirt frame, a heat press or iron, flannel fabric, iron-on decals, scissors, and a Cricut. First, cut the flannel to size. I did mine a little larger than the frame. Then heat up your iron or heat press and heat up the fabric. Decide where you want the decal and cover it with a heat-safe paper. Iron on the decal. Remove the paper and peel off the transfer tape. Continue this with as many pieces of flannel as you'd like. Then take your t-shirt frame and center the flannel on it. Mine had a different shirt in it, so I put it in the back. And that's it! It's so easy to do and it's easy to swap out for whatever holiday you're celebrating. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.